Welcome. So today we're going to cover viewer comments. I get some really interesting and funny comments that just crack me up sometimes. Specifically, I'm going to talk about my ATV plowing videos and the most recent video I did where I talk about 5 must-needed upgrades when buying an ATV plow. So I'll put that in the link down below so you guys can see what I'm talking about. These guys make comments. So I talk about 5 upgrades on top of the snowplow that I have to make my life easier. Now, I get all sorts of these funny comments from cheapskates, what seems like. They get all beat up and butthurt that I have a poly edge, a synthetic line. I have the flags, the markers on top of the plow. I have all sorts of extra stuff like the power angle to help me change the angle of the plow on the fly. I have a very long driveway, 800 foot with multiple turns. Okay? Makes my life easier to have a electric hydraulic unit on there. Yes, it's more money. Yes, all these things cost extra money. Yes, the poly edge costs more money. But guess what? It works phenomenal. These things work phenomenal. These upgrades that I talk about and I share in my channel, I'm showing you guys what the pinnacle of, snow plowing is, okay? Poly edge, synthetic line, power angle. All these things make plowing that much easier, more efficient, and more fun to do, okay? I get these comments from these cheapskates telling me they can plow with a 400, with a 570 Polaris, with no poly edge, with bald tires. Good for you. Good for you. I'm going to put some of the comments here right up on the screen because good for you, buddy. Okay, you do you, bro. I'm going to do me and you do you. I don't care if you want to plow with bald tires. That's not a good idea. I want to have good, decent tires that have deep lugs and good traction. If you want to plow with bald tires, go right ahead. I'm not stopping you, but you are a cheapskate. You come off as a cheapskate. Every one of you guys that talk like that. Hey, bro, that's great. You did a good job upgrading your ATV. Nice tires, good poly edge. I could really see how that would make things more efficient and make things better for you. I'm just sharing what I do. I don't give an F what you guys do. You guys can go, instead of having a plow with bald tires and steel edge and not all the extra bells and whistles like I do supposedly, guess what? Why don't you use a hand shovel or a hand plow and plow your driveway with that? Because I could say that you, with your bald tires and steel edge and manual tilt plow, is still a luxury. That is still a luxury for you to have that machine, a 400, 500, whatever the hell cc your machine is. You still have a luxury even if you have bald tires. So guess what? If you want to be so humble, okay, go plow with a goddamn shovel, a hand shovel, and that's humble right there, okay? Don't tell me, beat me up because I spend my good hard-earned money on accessories that I think are worth it for my machine and my application. Hey, they're not for everybody. If you don't want to spend the extra money for the electric hydraulic unit, yeah, it's a little bit extra money, $300-$400, whatever the hell it is. But it makes my life 100% easier. I don't have to get off the machine. I don't have to fiddle and do all this extra legwork. If you enjoy snow plowing and fiddling with a manual plow with bald tires, go right ahead. Okay, I can guarantee you're going to take 3 times, 4 times as long to do the same exact thing that I do. I got more important things to do, like make these videos for you guys in my channel, than to dick around with a manual plow and make the production time a lot higher, okay? These videos take a lot of time to do. I don't think you guys understand, unless you actually do YouTube videos yourself, how much time it takes and effort to set everything up, to move the camera around, to present, to do all this stuff nicely. And then you got these critics that like, oh, I do it with bald tires. I do it with no fucking poly edge. I do it with no power angle and I tilt it every time. Okay, good for you. Good for you. You want a medal? What do you want from me? Like, I don't care. I'm sharing what I do. And if you guys Like it? Okay, if you have the money to buy the extra stuff, go for it. But I'm showing it in action how the stuff works. And this is what these videos are about that I make. Not about showing off. They automatically think I'm showing off. It's like, dude, I could care less. I'm not showing off. I'm showcasing how these products work. People like to see that before they go ahead and buy something to see if it's worth it, okay, in their application, or if they can, if they can afford it, okay. I understand these things cost money, but guess what? Don't beat me up because I spent the money on buying better tires, better rims, better this and that. It's a work toy, okay? I use it for work, and I also use it as a toy on the trail. I want to take care of my stuff. I want to have good quality components on my equipment. That's just me, okay? If you want to run it bald tires, manual tilt, go for it, okay? I'm all for you just spending all freaking day out there tilting that plow manually and slipping and sliding all over the place because you do not have traction with those bald tires. I don't care what you think. You just think you're going to pick up some speed and just ram the goddamn snowbank every time? I would love to see you, slipping and sliding across your driveway when it is ice, okay, with bald tires on your 400 or your 570. I would love to see it. Like I said, I'm going to put the comments right up on the screen so you guys can see these fools because they are freaking hilarious. I get these comments all the time when I start talking about all the bougie stuff on my plow. It's like, give me a break. Polaris makes these accessories to be used, to be bought, to be add-ons to the plow system to make them work better, okay? They sell you a bare bones plow with a steel edge. The steel edge wears out extremely fast, okay? I've made many videos of this already, and that's the reason why I went to a poly edge. I'm still on the first side of that poly edge, and I haven't even flipped it yet. It's been like 4 freaking years or more. Okay, you guys can look at my videos. I have not flipped that poly edge. That thick poly edge does a great job. It adds height to the plow. It floats better, okay? And it lasts longer than any steel edge. I went through like 3 steel edges on an asphalt driveway before I was like, okay, I'm done with these steel edges. They wear down way too quick on my asphalt driveway. Some of you guys might have gravel or sand or dirt driveways where maybe it doesn't wear out as fast, but on an asphalt driveway, they're gonna get annihilated, okay? And if you wanna have a nice driveway for a long period of time, if you have a freshly paved driveway, you're gonna want the poly edge. It is very, very easy on the asphalt. It doesn't rip up the gravels and beat up your residential driveway. So if you have a new driveway, it might be important to some people to have a nice poly edge on their plow so it's very gentle on that surface and not chew it up, beat it up if you have a steel edge. So that there is my rant. I'm going to put the comments up on the screen because of these guys I think are hilarious. These cheapskate critics, okay, whatever you want to call them. They get so beat up over me buying things for my own use that I bought with my own money. And they think I'm showboating or showing off that I have this stuff. It's like, dude, it's not about that. It's about sharing my experience of these products with you guys and see if they're worth it, okay? That's all. That's all I can say. So I want to go and finish this video, but I'm going to cover some other topics coming up soon. Another related one was a roller fair lead issue. They keep on saying I used the wrong fair lead on my ATV for the synthetic rope. That's another video, so check out that one. Another video I will have coming up is the 7 different types of personalities for ATV and side-by-side owners. That's going to be a funny one, so stay tuned for that one. But like I said, check out the rest of my ATV videos. I have a lot more content coming up. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.